Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to see how to reverse an given array. I am using IntelliJ IDEA IDE for Java programming. In this, to create a new class, click on File, click on New, click on Java class. Let's name it as Array Operations .java. Now the class has been created. Let's write a method named reverse array. Public, let's keep it as void, rename it as reverse array. In this we will pass an array as an argument, so we will keep the parameters int array arr. We will using for loop, initializing the loop variable I is equal to array dot length minus 1, because the array index starts from 0. If we have 5 elements in the array dot length will return the length as 5, but the index starting from 0, the last element will be n minus 1. So at the 5th position there will not be any element. So we are keeping it as array dot length minus 1. And the condition should be I should be greater than or equal to 0. And I should be decremented. In this we will print it in same line as system dot out dot print. We will use print here because println will print every element in new line. Print array of I. Let's add a tab space for neat looking. That's it. Now for running this code we have to write a main method. Without main method the code doesn't work. Public static void main string array args. Okay, for calling this method we should make this method as static, because without making it static we can call this method, but we have to create an object for this class. Then only we will be able to use this method. But if we make this as a static method, we can use it without creating a object. Now let's create a array. Int array equal to new int 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 semicolon. Now let's call this method reverse array and pass the argument as array. We created this array. Now we are passing this array into this method. Now let's see the output. Run. Compilation finished. There is no errors, no warnings. We got the output. We have successfully reversed the given array. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please do share and support. Please do subscribe our channel, like, share and comment our channel. Thank you.